exactly a fractionage? Welcome to MathG.in. You are the math genius, provided you have the concepts very clear in your mind. So let us discuss in very brief what exactly a fraction is. So let me write it very short. Fn we can write, or Fr with a subscript n. The full spelling is Fraction. So a part of a whole thing is called a fraction. Simply we can say a part. Let's take a cake. If we are taking a part of it, so I can say this is half of the cake. This is another half of the cake. So if we take this half of the cake, then that is the fraction of the whole cake. So we can say, if you are taking the first half on my right, so we can write half, second half is half. So half is a fraction, 1 by 2 written as mathematically 1 by 2. Similarly, let's go for another example. The same cake concept, and we are dividing into 3 equal parts, let's say. So 3 equal parts. Out of that, if I take this part, this will be 1/3 of the cake, or mathematically written as 1 by 3. That's a fraction. Again, another 1/3 written as 1 by 3 is a fraction. 1 by 3 is a fraction. So 1 by 3 is a fraction. Similarly, let me another one example quickly. Let's say the same cake work, and we dividing it into 4 equal parts. So in that case, I'll be talking at this is the first part, 1/4. This is the 1/4. This is the 1/4, and this is the 1/4. So 1 by 4 is a fraction because it is the part of the whole cake. Now, considering this concept, whatever we discussed right now, we talked about the cake in 2 parts, the same cake in 3 parts, the same cake in 4 parts. So what are we going to do is that, let's say I divided this cake into 2 parts. So first part is the half of the cake, second part is the half of the cake. I divided the cake into 3 equal parts. First part is 1/3, second part is 1/3, third part is also 1/3. I divided the whole cake into 4 equal parts. So we were discussing, we divided the whole cake into 4 equal parts. So this will be the 1/4, this will be 1/4, 1/4, and this will be another 1/4. So what were we discussing is that just I missed my that diagram, drawing them once again. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, not 3. This is 1 by 3, 1/3. This is 1/3 we say in English, right? 1 by 3 in mathematics. So if we add this half and half, we will get a full. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to the full cake. Similarly, here in this concept, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, we will get the whole cake, that is 1. In the third case, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, and another time plus 1 by 4, we will get our whole cake. The whole cake is always represented as 1. So if the whole cake is 1, then part of that is a fraction. So similarly, what we say, part of a whole is called a fraction. So fraction is a part. Thanking you all. Very short video with another one coming up very shortly. This is Jit from mathsg.in.